What's up, Grill Gainz fam? Dry chicken breast? Nah, we can't be doing that. I'm gonna show you a method to make juicy chicken breast every single time. Whether you're meal prepping or cooking for your family, I'm gonna show you a method that works. Let's get into it. All right, here are all the ingredients we're gonna be using today. Let's start off by taking your chicken breast and patting it dry. Slip your chicken into a Ziploc bag. The next step is tenderizing. Had a long day at work? Take it out on the chicken. You'll thank me later. Pounding the chicken to an even thickness will help it cook evenly on the grill and also save you from dry edges and a raw center. For the marinade, we're going to do avocado oil, garlic powder, paprika, pepper, salt, and half a lemon squeeze. Once that's finished, we'll seal the bag and we'll massage that marinade into the chicken. Make sure it's well coated. You'll want to marinate this for at least 2 to 4 hours, but ideally overnight if you can. Let's get the grill fired up. I'm using a charcoal chimney today. We're gonna be grilling directly. We want the grill to get to about 400, 450 before we put the meat out there. Chicken breast is one of the leanest proteins on the planet. About 26 grams of protein per 3 ounces with almost zero fat. Pound for pound, it's standing in a league of its own. And it's also one of the cheapest proteins you can buy. Once my grill reaches about 400 degrees, it's time to throw the chicken out there. Quick tip while this is cooking, don't flip your chicken every 30 seconds. A lot of people do that thinking it helps it cook evenly, but that's why they get dry, pale chicken with no grill mark. That's the difference between dry, sad chicken breast and juicy, beautiful chicken breast. The chicken's temperature is about 150 degrees. I put it in directly to let it get up to about 160, and then I'll pull it and let it rest. Now for my first side, I got some corn on the cob. And corn on the cob is just perfect for the grill. It grills beautifully. Next, I got some zucchini slices. These are also a really good side for the grill. For the sides, all I did was rub them in a little oil, salt and pepper, and that's it. These took about 10 minutes. I'm gonna pull them off the grill. And my chicken temped at 160, so I'm pulling that off as well. Let it rest for about 5 minutes. You can just tell how juicy it is. Last step is to cut it up and then we'll plate it. I started with some cilantro lime rice on the plate, then I'm going with my chicken. You eat with your eyes first, so I like to take a little extra time to plate it nicely. Once the chicken is plated, next I'm putting my sides on, starting with the corn and then the zucchini. We've turned our chicken breast into a full post-workout dinner. And there you have it, perfectly grilled chicken. The key, pull it at 160, let it rest, and it'll rise to 165. That will give you 40 grams of protein for under $3. If you're serious about building muscle on a budget, you gotta learn how to do this. If you've been overcooking your chicken, let me know in the comment section below. Follow for more high protein grilling. I'll see you on the next one.